channel. So this is our second day here in Bangkok, Thailand. So we are now getting ready for our day tour. And my sister is taking her bath. Tapos na kasi ako maligo. So pababa na kami. We are now ready for the day tour. Hello, ayan si Mama. May kanina. Oo. May gabi naka-short kami. OTD namin. Look at this. For sale. Mineral water. Ito bang? Ay, video ko yan. Day 2. Day 2.
Morning, everyone. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Just minute. How many person you go for?
No, we're just looking for our breakfast.
It's okay. I can call with you. So right now, I have big grant for you, ladies. I charge for you 100 for one person. 100 one day.
Where? 100 baht for one
One
day.
eat. I show you 1 minute. Malika, come.
We're hungry. We're hungry.
Walking with me. Yeah. Confirm to booking now. How many went?
How many will have our... Kita sa Pilipinas pa here.
16. Wait lang. Dahil kami pwede maglargang mayo sa...
Today 16 or 55.
15 na. Magumay ba na siya na sa Rinan?
Ay, di nag-iba to karinante. Nasabi da maiba
May check sa
karinante.
kuya.
O, ngunyan pira ka mong iribahan.
Basta kita pilih.
Like this.
Like this today?
Okay, so simula na ng aming paglilibot.
Iyo, nagparahalan.
Kami ay iikot-ikot na ng...
ยังไปกินข้าวก่อนน้ำกันบ่นี่
Ayan, senda man po. Social senda.
Sagit lang sa ida.
Iba na naman.
Si Bang Tin.
เอ็มไปกินข้าวน้ำกันบ่นี่ไปกินข้าวก่อนได้ล่ะไปเออ
Hi, Simon. Mr. Simon.
His name is Simon.
ไปหาเบงแฮมไปหาเบงแฮมไป After eat where you going floating market
It's up to you.
yeah okay
It's all up to you.
It's all up to you.
All beautiful spots in Thailand.
Can we go to the leaning and
Tapos ang pauri na nagawin.
Biwang mo na ulit yung ano.
Ang cute yun.
Ako din na ili.
Oh, yun o, yung naman.
Busy street of Bangkok.
Ang slim mo ng tao. Kasi sige din ang kalakaw.
Uy, ang daming fruits mo.
I love you ที่ตลาด อยากไปซี
Mga tiyanggian.
เอาไปชิมเดี๋ยวหยิบวันซีชิมเออมันหลายอยู่โรงแรมไม่ก็หลาย
Nako. Parang Divisoria.
Oo, may
Ng Baklaran. Yan.
Malakaw sana palang kita, Dikdi. Mr. Simon,
yes
until what time?
oh open the night this the night open yes
Until midnight.
Di ba yung
no this now the morning market they close now
modern market?
and then tonight open again
Magko-close na sila na.
Closing time na night market.
They're paying 60 pesos for the chicken. Ah, may ano pa, may plastic.
Bring sa bell.
Okay. Sebel. Soup. Ah, yan.
Very good!
Okay.
Yes, kunin pork. Mahulog ang this mountain.
So, dito kami kumain.
See you again!
ไม่เฝ้าไม่เบิ่งตลาด
May kaulay, di si ano.
May gapo, may kaulay. May gapo si Manay kaulay.
ครับครับ
Si Manay S.
Kumayo na, ma'am.
Hey Simon, Sir Simon, so you take us first to the tourist spots. You can take us to the jewelry shop.
Yes.
Later, when we are about to get back to the hotel. Is
Yeah.
that okay?
why you back hotel
Later,
Before.
after we seen all the tourist spots na you take us. Sige na,
Yan ang
sige na.
itinerary niya. Jewelry shop, and then the floating market. Next,
Elephant Temple
elephant. The Ajinomoto building. This is the downtown Bangkok.
Baka ano,
Come sa jewel this. How much is that?
for our eyes only ha. Yan naman po, pagalan mo si Agumo sa kasi daughter.
Kuya, ina mo kumaba ka naman.
Jokingly, seryoso man ini.
At least from us.
Ganda ng ano, ng
Yes, ikaw din Simon says. We go to the jewelry shop.
Hindi ka na mag-attempt.
Kawasa mag-isa ka naman ako. One more. Alice. Hi guys, we're on our second day of tour. Sham sham. Sham sham. Sarap sa mga
Ay, wow. Wow, maubos dito ang budget
Okay.
natin. Around. Nandiyan din sila, Sir Wat. Ah, ito yung jewelry shop. Okay.
So can we get
Welcome inside. Welcome inside, please. Inside, no photo, please.
Okay.
no photo inside?
Just here.
No photo.
We're inside the jewelry shop. Ilocano.
What do you call that? What bridge is this?
Lamanay Bridge.
Lamanay.
Lamanay Bridge.
Tamanay Bridge. Ganda naman ang Tamanay Bridge.
Lamanay Bridge. Kasi yan ang alis. Alis isa dito. Kung real dapat portrait ng ano ang pagkakaba.
Pang Opo. Yan, yung flag ng Thailand.
Oh.
Pero sa Pilipinas, it's already 12:40. But here, the time is 11:43. We are ahead of 1 hour. Ayan na, nag-exit na kita. Paduma na nila sa Caldo Street.
Ilagara pa si Rityaw dito sa Santa Rosa lang.
Santa Rosa, Balibago exit.
Malibaga na ba? Sunod po, Olivares. Tagay.
Mm. Ilang minutes pa kaya?
Ano niya ba? Mainit na mainit na. Alarap siya na dito. Hindi ba siya? Mainit na ng tubig. Mainit na. Sa rotonda na kita.
Rayo ko pala na.
Reclining.
Ha?
Sleeping
Oh,
Buddha.
sleeping Buddha, riding Buddha,
Riding.
whatever.
Is that far from here? Far from
No, in the floating market we have the reclining Buddha also.
Ah, I
Is that
see.
near?
Yeah.
Not this far.
Is that it? The entrance.
Already the floating market.
Floating market.
The highlight one we want to take the boat go inside
here.
to the market. Yes. Then we have the elephant riding.
Elephant riding here.
Yes.
Changer, Simon.
Huh?
There are
Don't la.
Pesos.
Okay, I have. Wait,
Oh, I have. Welcome to floating market.
Come to floating market.
Okay.
You want to take the boat? You have the ticket over there.
Yan pala yan floating market na Lintian. Ito yung floating market sa Thailand. Nakita ko to kay Ivana Lawi sa vlog niya.
How many people we have? I think before they have. Your friend they go already
We're
here?
companions.
Yeah.
Okay, let me explain for you about it. Okay, everyone can look at the picture. Now we are here the floating market. It's everything they do on the canal, on the river. They have the boat like this, the motor boat with the loop. We can take you seeing around the way of the market. It's over there. They have selling the fruit and the souvenir shop on the
Yes.
restaurant. What you like to buy, we can tell the diver boat. We stop and wait for you anytime. We need to get buy food. We like to shop. We can do that. Everything that do on the boat is amazing. And in the center, we can visit for you at the coconut farm. They make the juice from the coconut because this area the best land for the grow coconut. We make something with the coconut like sugar or the candy like this. Yeah. If we need the market, the boat we can take you to see the location of the big river. We have the night temple there. We have the lucky temple. Inside we have the climbing Buddha, 15 meter bigger, made from the coin, from the money. And another one temple, Buddha at the tree. Did the signature of here, the old temple, around 400 years ago. And they have the wall in this area before. They have the Thai boxing museum and the zoo around here. Finish, we are be back here. And we have the packet with the elephant riding. You can do that. And you can sit on top elephant. They bring you around the jungle. Can we shoot? We need to do just the boat trip with the temple or with the elephant.
Just a boat trip. How much?
Yeah, we show you the ticket first. The ticket for the floating market with the temple, and the
And that's
ticket
for
for the floating market with the temple with the elephant riding.
That's what that can accommodate all of us.
Ticket per person.
Per
Per
person.
person. Yeah. But I recommend the diver follow.
Yes.
You know that. Okay. Now or now go straight and to left.
We will bring you.
Let's
go.
Okay, we're ready now. Bye! Ayan na, nagsisimula na ang papunta namin sa market.
Yes, we're awaiting the loading.
Floating market.
Okay, okay.
แม่น้ำเข้าช้างซื้อตั๋วเองตั๋วเก็บรวมตั๋วนะ
มันจะเดินให้มันเดินไป
Na!
เวลาแค่ข้ามจะเดินจะขึ้นเดินไหมขึ้นเดินให้ผมถามผมก่อน
Ito na this. Ay, duman ka ni sa vlog ka.
Aray. Aray.
Di ka mo naman apat. Ayan.
Hello guys! Welcome to floating market here in Bangkok, Thailand. Yeah. So, dalawang boat kami. Kami yung nauna. With my sister, Ate Yen, Sir Bon, Ma'am Eva. And the driver. That's the stick.
We don't worry about the money. Because we can earn it
Travel
back.
today to Lala later. Sabi yan ni Ma'am Wells.
Yan ang motor ng sit down. Sabi ko,
Ayan, no?
one way. Oh, local food.
Ayan, simula na dito. Oh, ayan na yung mga food.
You want to eat this? You want something? Hello?
Hi.
You want something? You want? But you want to eat, you can come up. Yeah.
Speak English, please.
Yes. Pad Thai. Pad Thai fried rice.
How much?
I don't know. Go, Nakita, go. Let's go. Hi! Nandito pala kayo. Let's go. Ayan, mga seafood.
There's an array of
Nama kasi pa sini su. Kurma yung gasolina ng mga Ay, wow! Oh, souvenir item. Ayan ang mga ano. Oh.
Shopping ไหมคะมาดาม
How much is this one? This one.
Big one นะคะ
How much?
โอเค โอเค This one มาดาม
500. Oh no.
This one the wood This one the wood Same the boat This one
Okay.
You buy one Buy two I discount I want to sell Okay
Okay.
You happy price How much มาดาม I want to sell You give me how much แทน
no,
ติ้ง
no,
กับไพร
no.
นี่ว่าไหม
No. Just asking, sis.
No Wallet back point Okay
Oo.
Coconut oil Okay
So, ang dami
Let's go
kanilang
Let's go Mr.
ano.
Boatman Elephant Buddha Buddha Okay Buddha Thailand Buddha Chinese ขอบคุณนะคะโคโคนัทกับไพรวันโนซูมินีแบกไหมคะแบกแพ็ค
Yan lang, kaya dapat ka i-English ka mo mga... Hindi tayo magkakaintindihan ka na. Shopping center.
ปิ้งไหมคะโอ้จะโชว์เสื้อไหมคะเสื้อโชว์โฮมแบรนด์ไม่ลูกแบรนด์ไหมคะ
ano naman kayo magka-identify?
Hindi, ganun lang talaga daw. Sindamis kasi daw.
Uwi na sila oh.
Wala.
Oh my God. Okay, so, souvenir shop. Mga Bangkok.
Ay, magkaiba-pagpars.
Ulamนะครับulamคือ tasting. Doon naman sa tasting. Sa free. Great taste. Kaya i-taste na lang.
Para dito talaga yun sinuting yung The Impossible. What's that?
Anong lasa?
So, there is fresh. Very tasty.
Amisar.
Yes, I can.
So sweet.
Yes, ma'am, please.
Okay, ba mo
Oh, paintings. Elephant. Dresses. Parang masarap to, coconut ice cream. How much?
80 ba? 80.
80.
Ah.
What, may
1,
see?
2, 3.
You want?
1, 2.
You want na?
One more. Good.
No lunch yet. No lunch.
We don't have lunch yet.
Looking for lunch.
Pagpesto man daw ako digdiyo sa part na niyo. Matugtok man kita dyan. Dahil. Photo snake. Sinong gusto magpas? Ayan. May snake. Dito naman, crocodile.
Crocodile hair. Si Ate Girl. Tinagaan.
Wow. Amazing, man. Wala dito sa Pilipinas.
Akong ano.
Ayan o, tusok-tusok. Okay, boxing. Mayroon doon kita katong kay elephant na. Ni Kuya Willie ka to.
Yan mo na intindihan mo. Parang iba kumay.
Sobar.
Hello, madam.
Hi.
Iyaw pala ng
You wouldn't know that.
So, dito kami mag-lunch.
Hello. Ready na po, Shelly?
Kami sa ano, sa gada. Tapos, ang urolay mo man lang, ay mailang ba? Kaya lang, si Bayaw.
Ito yung food naman namin dito sa floating market. Tingnan ninyo yung relo dito. Counterclockwise siya, hindi siya clockwise. So, the time is 1:10. Ay, 2:10. I mean, 2:10. Pero sa atin, nasa 3:10 na. So, tapos na kami mag-lunch. Back to boating naman. With sightseeing sa mga bilihin dito sa Thailand. Pero, di hamak na mas mahal dito kaysa dun sa market.
Pwede mo lang ba kami mag-car? Okay lang, sabi ka pagkaman. No ATM, pwede ka ticket, pero pwede ka mag-buy ng car.
Restaurant. Mga bags. Pero mamahal nga naman ang prices.
Bago na ito na po ito na.
Pero ang baka, maaano pa. Nalingkot na kaya.
Buwan na yan isa ba? Nakabukas pa rin. Nuno daan.
No.
Buy one more, my hello. Sacred.
Ganda mga white oh.
Sabi ko nga dito.
Alright, dami. Isa siyang boulevard ng mga bilihin. Kaso talagang sobrang mamahal. Mas mura pa dun sa jewelry shop. There's a bar here. Si Pasero tururog na.
Nagkakanabisin daw.
Ayan, ito yung sinasabi ko. Ayan.
Custard apple, lansonet, rambutan. Custard apple, number one. Sweet.
Coconut ice cream.
Ice cream coconut. Custard apple, no? Thank you.
Sabi ka nito. Nakubre ka lang sa akin. Nasa Gerald Anderson.
Lasang lansones nga rin sa Philippines.
Ganda ng mga bahay dito. May White House. White House. Ay wow, may ano oh. May naman ka dito. Manay. Pwede kita magbaba dyan.
Dali malaw sila.
Pala, marami pa pala dyan. Ayun. Ayan. Dito ko nakita si Ivana nagkuha ng ano. Okay. Hi. Ayan pa yung mga fruits.
Mangga and sticker rice.
Okay, para matikman ta.
Mayroong sticker.
Ayan, cute. Oh, what's that? Mango. How much?
How much?
What?
We don't understand.
Speak English. We don't understand.
Ice cream.
Marami man ito sa Pilipinas. We have plenty of that.
Ano, 150? Ano? Ah, 150. Okay? 150.
Ayun, may ahas doon, oh. Para 100 pesos ang kilo kaya sa ano, Pilipinas. Dapat so ano ta.
Oh, mango. How much is the mango?
How much? How much?
100. I buy you for 250.
50.
150 for 250.
50.
And that 100 that is.
Okay, 80, okay.
Hmm?
80.
80. 50.
50 no. No,
50.
No, no, this one mango.
Hey! So I bought mango with salt. Tingnan natin ang mango dito. Ang laki.
Ano ka itong kinakanta oh?
Ano padot. Oh, 'di ba ibang klase ang ang mangga dito sa Thailand. So, walang asim. Lasang bayabas. Oh, sino po? Oh! Nagutom pa si Ma'am Tin. Intersection. Going to Kabusaw, Libmanan, Pasakaw, and ang ganda rin naman ba? Papunta kami ngayon sa temple. So ito yung setup nito, or yung setting nito parang doon sa pelikulang The Impossible. Ayan o, may mirror doon. Para makita nila kung may kasalubong o wala. Kasi blind curve. Ayos din na. Oh, wait lang kuya. Grabe, may traffic din pala sa river. Oh. Ay. Ayun. Nakakita rin sa wakas ng live elephant. Pero later nakapabibidyohan. So, dito muna kami.
Elephant lighting 700 baht each. Yeah, we accept peso, accept credit card.
ขายไป
Have a ATV, have elephant show start now. Monkey show start now. Elephant show 600 baht, one person 30 minutes show. This a crocodile show. This a monkey show, massage. Have a visit long neck village from the north of Thailand. Have a photo with the tiger. What you interesting, you can pay ticket from here.
So if you want to have the elephant riding package for A, yeah, and then so ayan na yung wala ko ng elephant. Okay. Hi, elephant. Big elephant. Ayan. Buhay po yan, hindi yan estatwa. Ayan yung isa. Kaya rin sumakay, kaya video na ka. Ayoko din pating sumakay dyan. Kakatako.
Of course. This makes the bonus.
So many elephants. Sa Manila Zoo. Not just scratch my baby. So here in Thailand, also yung buko kasi as you see, yung surroundings niya ay super dami ng mga bukong tanim. Ayan, may mga saging din. Ay, ayan pa yung elephant. Ay, sorry. May baby siya. So, itong isang elephant na to ay hindi siya nag-work kasi may way bago siyang baby. Ayan yung baby niya. Ayan. So, nakatali siya yung wawa naman. So, hindi siya pwedeng maging ano doon. So,
Mother elephant taking care of the baby elephant.
the mother elephant takes good care of her baby. Ayan. So, medyo iba lang yung amoy dito kasi alam mo na, uy, gising na yung baby elephant. Wow. Wow! Nagbuhat na yung ano. Tumayo na yung baby elephant. Come here, baby. So, ayan na yung mga elephant na mag-work. So, ayan sila. The mother and the baby elephant. So, andyan din sa taas yung ano, yung mga nagtutour. So, I'm so lucky kasi ngayon lang ako nakakita ng andyan na yung mga elephant. Ayan na sila. So, bawal na kasi kami dyan. Kaya andito lang. Ay, ayan, oh, ang lalaki ng fish talaga, oh. Oh. Uy, ang lalaki talaga ng fish. So, ayan yung parkingan ng mga boat. So, ayan na yung sundo namin. Ay, wow, may ATV doon, oh. May ATV sila doon. Come on. Okay. Yeah. Wow! Sawadee ka! Sawadee ka! Yes! Ay, wow! May ano, may saging pang bit-bit oh. So, ayan na po yung pupunta namin, yung temple. Ayan doon.
That's the temple.
Ano kaya pa? Ayan.
O yun to guys, ano mo, paano mo itong welcome? What?
Kumadyan kita. Tingnan ninyo yung mga kabahayan dito. Ganyan ang style. Iba naman dito sa side. Pero gawa lang siya sa kahoy. Okay. Ah, Buddha.
It's alright, go for that.
So, andito kami sa Golden Buddha. Ayan, see? Ngayon ko kung sino yan. Hindi ko alam. Wat Bang Noi. Wat Bang Noi, Pranon Sain Rian. Welcome. Na.
Ako masarap tumamad. Diyan ka.
So, bali ito yung katumbas ng simbahan ng mga Thailander. Kaya we need to respect the place. So, kailangan wag mo nang masyadong maingay.
Inside
Sige yan. Okay.
Siya yung ano, biggest Buddha. Wow, violet ang temple.
Pag ini ang cover photo mo, aram na ko niya sa inka. Ay, sir, maganda pa ni sir kung kanan ang dragon. No?
Iyo po.
Wow, ang ganda.
Picture, bon. Ako ino. Oy, sir. 0.5 sir, bon.
Lower ka pa, hindi. Yes, ganda.
Let's go back to the goal.
Meron pa ba?
Wala na. Yun.
Sir, bon, maganda dito. Oh, para alam natin.
Join ako kay Ma'am Ed.
Ay, dyan ma'am. Alis ko tayo.
Hindi naman kasi namin maintindihan kung ano ibig sabihin ng mga yan eh. See? Jesus, marusip mainito. Mainito na.
Everybody look!
Harap kayo dito. Hi!
Picture mo siya din, tatatawaban yung camera niya.
เป็นรู้อยู่แล้ว เพราะฉะนั้นเนี่ยต้องช่วยพูดด้วยว่าแขกเขาต้องการแล้วพอขึ้นมาเขาขึ้นไปแล้วเขาไม่อยากไปใช่เราจะไปแต่เขาปล่อยขึ้นมานี้ก่อนแล้วให้ตามใจแขกตามไปถามแค่นี้
So there's a stopover.
แล้วคนที่จะ
They are deliberating.
So here's another temple. Pero dahil pagod na kami, hindi na kami bababa. Kasi parehas lang naman.
ano ka na idalas mo yun?
Dito na nagtatapos ang aming journey sa floating market. Though sobrang mahal yung bayad, sulit naman. So ito na yung station. So goodbye, floating market. We really had a nice experience with you. So we're having our snacks or dinner, whatever.